Hey, go on and smash that subscribe button, sneakheads. I know you're watching video.
Too easy.
Hey, what's up, sneakheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey,
Yes,
before we
sir.
get to the video, you already know. Go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir.
So in this
Yes,
video, what
sir.
we got? That what? That weekly heat,
Weekly
baby.
heat. Yes, sir. That weekly heat.
So I'm gonna go ahead and start off on December the 19th. We do have that Nike Mac Attack. This is a collab with Travis Scott. This shoe has been teased for about 6 months now, so I guess we're finally getting it. It does come out on December 19th, which is a Tuesday, and we'll be having a raffle on Nike Sneakers app. Pair costs $120, which is very low for a Travis Scott. Right now, this is reselling for a high value. My size 10 is going around $700. So if you want these, go on be on the sneakers app at 10 a.m. and we wish you the best of luck. But this does feature that highly anticipated pair, a light gray overall shoe. It does have that white midsole. It will have that backward swoosh that Travis Scott is known for. It will also have featured that Nike and Cactus Jack branding on the back. And on the tongue, it does have that flag that's in checkerboard, black and blue. And it does have Nike in red. So let us know, are you trying to rock these or drop these? How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
You know what? I'm all about how it go flow with my gear, and I can't
Yes, sir.
see that really flowing too well with any gear or anything I have in my wardrobe. So in saying that, my brother, hey, I will not be rocking those. A big thumbs down.
Yes, sir. And as for me, I'm rocking these. So moving on to the next shoe, we have December 20th. Do have a Jordan 14, aka Pandas. This is a black and white pair. We already talked about these before on our top 10 release of the holiday releases. If you haven't done so, go and check out that video right there. But this pair comes out on December 20th at a price point of $200. I think this is a nice shoe for the winter. It does predominantly a black, does have hits of white. I do think it's a clean shoe. Unfortunately, because so much stuff has been dropping around right now at this time, I think these will sit. But if you want these, it should be easy to cop. It does feature that white Jordan in the back with the 23 logo that we're familiar with on the Jordan 14s. It does feature that blacked out bottom with the Jordan at the white at the bottom. This is a very clean shoe in my opinion. I am rocking these. However, I won't be going for these. How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
Hey, I was never a fan of the 14s. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you were a fan of the 14s. Never was a fan of the 14s. Don't want them. Don't want them in my collection. Don't think about getting them, my brother. Hey, and saying all that, a big thumbs down. Actually, I give it two thumbs down. Was
Dang,
never
it's
a
like
fan of
that.
the was never a fan of the 14s. They should have just stopped going with 13. With that, yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Well, so what we got the last shoe on the list? What's that, my brother?
Hey, the last shoe on the list, closer to Christmas, we got coming out on December the 23rd. We got those Air Jordan 1s, those high OG craft Celadon. These will be coming out, like I mentioned, on the 23rd. Asking price for those are going for 180. 180. This shoe stands out because it's one of those holiday collection, right? You got that blend of that Celadon, you got that sky, jade, light olive, you got that bright orange, you got the coconut milk, and you got that shoe. This shoe, I'm always a fan of the ones because it had to start with somewhere and it started with the ones. And this here with that olive suede over the toe box, I'm really liking this shoe because I can see this shoe not holding up to the snow if you live in a state where you get a lot of snow. But I can see this shoe doing very well, right? Especially if you hold on to it and, hey, get them out during the spring. But I'm liking this shoe. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. I can see this shoe doing quite well with the outfits. With the
Yes, sir.
outfits during the summer, that orange. I'm a fan of the orange, especially the way they got that orange hitting in the tongue. I really like that. So hey, nice work, Jordan Brand, with that and saying all that. Hey, I'm rocking those. I'm rocking those. Hey, if y'all rocking those or dropping those, hey, drop us a comment down below. What about you, my brother?
So as for me, I'm dropping these. You already know. I'm the Jordan 1 high hater. No,
Yeah,
but I do have one pair of orange shoes in my collection. I'm not gonna lie, they are kind of hard for me to wear. I usually only wear them around October for Halloween. So the orange is a very hard color for me to rock. So that's why I'm dropping those. But I do think this is the clean colorway. And like my bro said, I do agree that they will look nice come spring and summer. If you take away the orange, that's a clean classic Jordan silhouette that we all love. And like I agree with my brother with that orange, it does make the shoe pop. So if you want these, go ahead. Don't hesitate. Go ahead and snatch them up. But I believe that these will sit and these will be able to get them for under retail. So stay tuned for that. We'll just have to wait and see. Because, like, again, I believe that there's just too much heat. Because I think mostly everyone, for the price, the Travis Scott is going to take over for this week at $120. So that's going to be the shoe to go for this week because of the high resale value and as well as the low price point. If Jordan Brand would bottle up that formula, they would sell out every shoe. But they keep raising up the prices and giving us garbage colors and stuff that we don't want. I know the Travis Scott may not be appealing colors to most people, but because of the high resale value, it's going to sell out for sure.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, and if y'all continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others.